Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll explain how to know who removed me from admin in WhatsApp and what you need to understand about this feature. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp application on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. This is where you manage your chats and groups. Step 2. Select any WhatsApp group that you are a member of. You need to be part of the group to check your admin status. Step 3. Inside the group chat, check if you currently have admin privileges. Admins have special controls in the group. Step 4. If you are not an admin, tap on the group name at the top to open the group info page. This shows group details and settings. Step 5. Scroll down and tap on group permissions. This section controls what members can do in the group. Step 6. Note that there is no option to see who removed you from admin. WhatsApp does not provide this information. Step 7. Understand that WhatsApp does not notify you if you are removed from the admin role or removed from the group entirely. This keeps admin changes private. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.